Hey everyone! Today, I want to introduce you to my new favorite kitchen gadget, the Ninja Foodi 6-in-1 2-basket air fryer. I know, the name is a mouthful, but trust me, this device is absolutely fantastic. First off, one of the coolest features of this device is the dual zone technology. With this, you can cook 2 different meals at the same time. For example, you can have crispy fries in one basket while juicy chicken wings are cooking in the other. Having both ready at the same time is such a time saver, right? This model from Ninja Foodi comes with a total of 6 different cooking functions: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. So, you're not just frying, you're also baking, grilling, and even dehydrating. This versatility saves both time and space in the kitchen. The digital control panel makes the cooking process really easy. With its intuitive touchscreen, you can effortlessly set the temperature and time. Plus, it has Smart Finish and Match Cook features. Smart Finish syncs the cooking times of both baskets so your meals are ready at the same time. Match Cook lets you cook the same dish in both baskets, making it super easy to prepare large portions. Another feature I love is the capacity of this air fryer. It's a whopping 8 quarts. This large capacity makes cooking for the whole family a breeze. Especially when you have guests over, this device is a real lifesaver. Yes, it's a bit bulky, but considering the advantages it offers, it's totally worth it. Cleaning the Ninja Foodi 6-in-1 2-basket air fryer is also very convenient. The removable parts are dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup a lot easier. The exterior can be easily wiped down as well. The only possible downside is the price. Yes, it's a bit on the expensive side, but given the features and the ease of use, it's definitely worth it. It makes my time in the kitchen so much more efficient and enjoyable. I just love it. So if you're looking to cook practical, quick, and delicious meals, the Ninja Foodi 6-in-1 2-basket air fryer is definitely worth checking out. Now, let's move on to our next product, the Philips Premium Airfryer XXL, model HD 9650/96. This air fryer is all about delivering healthy, delicious meals with ease. The Philips Premium Airfryer XXL boasts a generous 7.3 quarts, 6.9 liters, capacity, making it perfect for larger families or anyone who loves hosting dinner parties. With this much space, you can cook an entire meal in one go, which is a real time saver. One of the standout features of this model is its fat removal technology. This innovative system extracts excess fat from your food, ensuring you get crispy, tasty results with up to 90% less fat compared to traditional frying methods. So, you can enjoy all your favorite fried foods guilt-free. The rapid air technology is another impressive aspect of this air fryer. It circulates hot air around the food to cook it evenly and quickly, resulting in a crispy outside and tender inside. Whether you're frying, baking, grilling, roasting, or reheating, this technology ensures perfect results every time. Navigating the cooking settings is a breeze thanks to the digital display and quick control dial. You can easily adjust the temperature and time to suit whatever you're cooking. Plus, with a range of preset programs, you can start cooking with just the touch of a button. Despite its larger size, the Philips Premium Airfryer XXL is designed with user convenience in mind. The parts are removable and dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. The sleek design also looks great on any kitchen counter. The only downside to this air fryer might be its price tag. It's on the higher end, but considering the health benefits and the quality of the results, it's a worthy investment for anyone serious about healthy cooking. So, if you're looking for a top-of-the-line air fryer that offers both health benefits and cooking versatility, the Philips Premium Airfryer XXL is an excellent choice. It combines advanced technology with user-friendly features to make your cooking experience enjoyable and efficient. Alright, let's dive into our third and final product for today, the COSORI Pro LE 5.8 quart air fryer, model CP158AF. This air fryer is all about combining convenience and performance, making it a popular choice for many home cooks. First off, let's talk about its capacity. The COSORI Pro LE has a 5.8 quart, 5.5 liters basket, which is spacious enough to fit a whole 5-pound chicken. Whether you're cooking for a family or preparing a meal for guests, this air fryer has got you covered. One of the features that sets the COSORI Pro LE apart is its 11 preset cooking programs. These include options like steak, chicken, seafood, shrimp, bacon, frozen foods, French fries, vegetables, root vegetables, bread, and desserts. With just a touch of a button, you can select the perfect setting for your meal, making cooking virtually foolproof. The air fryer uses rapid air circulation technology, which ensures that hot air is evenly distributed throughout the basket. This results in perfectly crispy and evenly cooked food every time. Whether you're air frying, roasting, baking, reheating, or keeping your food warm, this technology makes sure your meals come out just right. Another great aspect of the COSORI Pro LE is its user-friendly touchscreen. The digital display is clear and easy to navigate, allowing you to set the time and temperature with ease. Plus, the shake reminder feature is really handy. It alerts you to shake the contents of the basket halfway through the cooking time to ensure even cooking. Cleaning up is a breeze with this air fryer. The non-stick basket is dishwasher safe, and because it's free of BPA and PFOA, you can be confident that it's safe for you and your family. The sleek design and compact size also mean it won't take up too much counter space, making it perfect for any kitchen. Now, while the COSORI Pro LE is a fantastic air fryer, it's not without its minor drawbacks. Some users have mentioned that it can be a bit noisy during operation. Additionally, while the capacity is sufficient for most families, if you regularly cook for a large number of people, you might find it a bit small. Despite these minor issues, the COSORI Pro LE 5.8-quart air fryer is a reliable and efficient kitchen appliance. It offers great value for its price, combining a variety of cooking options with an easy-to-use interface and easy cleanup. So, if you're looking for an air fryer that's versatile, user-friendly, and performs well, the COSORI Pro LE is definitely worth considering. That's it for our top 3 air fryers. I hope this helps you in making an informed decision for your next kitchen gadget. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.